Are you wondering how to fast-track your way to success in network marketing? Maybe someone told you that you need to learn the skill of attraction marketing. They are right. Learning how to attract what you desire will go a long way to helping you reach your goal in time. Attraction marketing, as they say, is the key to success. So, how to fast-track your way to success in network marketing? There are many ways, actually. There are even books on the subject written by some of the top experts in the field. Many of them are available at your local library or bookstore. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to fast-track your way to success in network marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Start with the basics. What does network marketing really mean? The definition varies according to who you ask, but the basic premise is that you use marketing tactics in order to recruit new members into your company and help them become profitable. That's pretty simple. Now, how do you know which books are the right ones? Again, it depends. Do you want to get deep into the concept of network marketing? If so, you may want to consider starting with The Complete Fast Track to Success in Network Marketing by Phil Hutchinson and Scottsdale, Arizona-based Kipnis. This two-book covers almost every topic you could possibly imagine. Hutchinson covers the history of network marketing, what it is, how to build a successful team, what makes a successful marketing campaign, and much more. Hutchinson has done a lot of research into what works for him and why he believes it works. He has also done a great deal of testing to back up what he has learned. Secondly, if you are a beginner in network marketing, you may want to start by reading How to Fast Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing by Phil Hutchinson and Scottsdale, Arizona-based Kipnis. Again, this is a book that covers every topic you could possibly imagine. It starts out by giving a brief overview of network marketing and how it can benefit you, and then goes into great detail about each individual aspect of how to fast-track your way to success in network marketing. The book ends with a mini conference. This gives you an inside look at what other people are doing to succeed in marketing. You can learn from other people's experiences and get ideas from their mistakes. Overall, this is a great book to start with if you are looking for how to fast-track your way to success in network marketing. The final part of the How to Fast-Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing series looks at what you should be doing once you have learned the basics in network marketing. There are 5 key things to remember. First, always be learning. Second, keep up your networking on a daily basis. The How to Fast-Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing program shows you how to create your own system to reach success faster. The first thing they teach you is to not give up. This is very important because you have to keep going. People quit too fast in network marketing. People will sometimes give up thinking that they won't ever make it. They quickly get discouraged and give up before they ever get anywhere. The How to Fast-Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing series takes things one step further by showing you how to set up your business plan. By having a solid business plan in place, you can focus on the big picture and not worry about all the little details. It will take you out of the box and show you how to look at things from a larger viewpoint so that you will see growth instead of just losses. A business plan can be extremely intimidating for someone who is new to network marketing. The program teaches you how to write a solid business plan and how to use it in every situation. The How to Fast-Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing course also gives you specific formulas for success. By breaking down network marketing into simple steps, you will become more effective as an entrepreneur. When you can identify your customer and know what they want, you will have a better understanding of how to position yourself to meet their needs. You will be able to identify opportunities before others do, and you will always be prepared for new challenges and opportunities that will present themselves. The How to Fast Track Your Way to Success in Network Marketing course is comprehensive, easy to read, and will give you the skills and information necessary to start, grow, and profit from a network marketing business. If you are serious about making money online, this should be added to your list. It is filled with proven techniques that are easy to apply and are very profitable. You cannot afford to not learn how to fast track your way to success in network marketing. Thanks for watching my video about how to fast track your way to success in network marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.